today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Dragon City app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps list here. And here you're looking for Dragon City app, or just click on search. Then here at Dragon City, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. And here you search for Dragon City, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.